Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Koluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Marketing Management, module number 3, video number 3. In previous class, we have seen the meaning and definition of, say, consumer behavior, or say the concepts or basic introduction of consumer behavior. Today we shall see the various factors that influence the consumer behavior. The factors which will say affect or change the decision making or behavior of an individual will be discussing today. The first point is marketing factors such as product, design, price, promotion, packaging, positioning and distribution. Here, an individual when enters into a market, he will be looking at the various factors or the various attributes of a product, like the way the product is being designed, the prices of the product, how the product is being promoted, packaging of that product, positioning and distribution. The way, what is the way of their positioning, how the product is distributed. All these things make an impact on behavior of the customer in the market. Suppose I am having two options in a showroom wherein both are having same quality, same performance, both the products are having same quality and same performance, and one price is bit costly and another one product is bit costly and another product is, say, comparatively less. So at that point of time, definitely an individual will think of buying the product which is less costly. So this is how the behavior changes with the pricing, product design, promotion, packaging, positioning and distribution. Many times if the packing of that product is not good, even then we say deny purchasing those products. That's why the product, when we are, say, purchasing, we are supposed or we will be behaving as per the attributes of that products. That is marketing factors such as product design, price, promotion, packing, positioning and distribution, etc. The second point of the factors which will be influencing the behavior of the customers is personal factors. The behavior is also influenced by buyer's personal characteristics. Notably, his or her age, lifestyle, life stages, occupation, economic circumstances, lifestyle, personality and self-concept. All these attributes make a mega change in the behavior of the customer. Here, the age and life cycle or stages, the needs, wants and demands for goods and services may change by buyer's life stage or taste in food, clothes, furniture or the designs whatsoever it may be. For example, the clothing style what my parents use or they like may not be same like me. The youths, their lifestyle or their dressing style is also different. So this way the age of the customer will make an impact. The lifestyle, how he is living, he or she is living, will make an impact on the decision making of the consumer. Then the occupation from which that person belongs to. Suppose the occupation of the factory workers may buy working clothes, work shoes, lunch boxes, etc. While a company executives may buy expensive suits, watches, travel accessories, tickets, airways, air travels, etc. But the same thing, a common man whose occupation is not higher level, he may think of the average things. So the personal attributes make impact in these way. Then the economic circumstances from which that person it belongs to, even that make impact. The education level of an individual will make an impact. The economic circumstances of the buyers will affect his product choice. Say the consist of his spending ability, income, saving and assets or borrowing power will make impact on the spending of an individual. So that's why the personal characteristics or factors such as age, gender, education and income level will make an impact on the behavior of the consumers. Then the third factor is, say, psychological factor. The factors such as buying motives, perception of the product and attitudes towards the products. The motivation, learning, beliefs, attitudes also influence the buyer's behavior. In psychological factors, the motivation for buying, the biogenic and psychological aspects of an individual will make impact on his or her, say, decision making process in the today present scenario. Here the Maslow's hierarchy of needs will make an impact. For example, say psychological needs in that Maslow's theory, wherein the person is hungry, thirsty, he will be looking for that. They are the first needs, that's why it is called as psychological needs. Then second needs are safety needs, wherein the security and protection is essential for an individual. Third need is social needs, the sense of belongingness, love, relationships and all those things. Fourth is esteem needs. The esteem needs like the recognition, status in the society and all other aspects will come under esteem needs. And lastly, self-actualization needs. This self-actualization needs means achieving everything or all the needs in the present scenario. So this is how the psychological factors make an impact on an individual's behavior. So these three factors we have seen today. The rest, there are some other factors also which will be influencing the consumer behavior, that we shall see in tomorrow's class. If you have any doubts, questions, you all can feel free to contact me at any point of time. Thank you. Good day.